Someone on your mind is finally realizing that you are important in their life, not suddenly, not loudly, but quietly and clearly. If one person has been on your mind again and again, even when you try to distract yourself, understand that this is not random. It is not coincidence, and it is not imagination. Someone on your mind is finally understanding that you mattered more than they ever allowed themselves to admit. This realization does not arrive with messages or dramatic confessions. It arrives in silence, in moments when life slows down, in moments when distractions no longer work. And today, you are beginning to understand why this awareness is happening now, what is unfolding inside their mind, and why the connection between you refuses to disappear. There is a reason some people fade away while others remain. Many faces pass through our lives. Many conversations happen. Many relationships begin and end. Yet only a few people stay in the mind long after silence replaces words. If you keep appearing in someone's thoughts, it is not because of habit, it is not because of boredom, and it is not because of loneliness alone. You appear because you left an imprint. You made them feel something real, not excitement, not temporary attraction, but emotional safety, understanding, presence. They may not have known how to name it at the time. They may not have valued it properly, but the mind remembers what the heart recognized, even when the ego tried to ignore it. You were not just someone who existed in their life. You were someone who changed how they felt about themselves. And that kind of impact does not disappear. Before realization comes denial. Almost always. At first, they convinced themselves they did not need you. They told themselves they were fine without your presence. They believed distance would make things easier. And for a while, it seemed like it worked. They stayed busy. They surrounded themselves with noise. They distracted themselves with people, routines, and responsibilities. But they could not escape. Because you were not just a person. You were a feeling. And feelings do not disappear just because we avoid them. The more they tried to push you out of their thoughts, the more your absence became noticeable. Not immediately, but slowly. Like silence after music stops, like emptiness after a familiar presence leaves. Realization does not arrive during happiness. It arrives in quiet moments, late at night, early in the morning, when there is nothing left to distract the mind. Life does not feel broken. It feels incomplete. And that is when your name returns. Not dramatically, not suddenly, but gently. They remember your voice, your way of listening, the way you understood them without explanation. They realize that peace felt different when you were around. And that is where the shift begins. Regret is not loud. It is heavy. When someone realizes your importance too late, regret does not scream. It sits. It tightens the chest. It weighs on the mind. It appears in thoughts like, I should have handled things differently. I didn't protect what mattered. I didn't understand how rare that connection was. They replay moments, conversations, choices, silences, not to torture themselves, but to understand. And every answer leads back to the same truth. They underestimated you. People often realize the value of something only after losing access to it. Not because they are cruel, but because comfort creates blindness. Your presence became familiar. Your understanding became expected. Your patience became assumed. And what is assumed is rarely appreciated in the moment. They did not think you would leave emotionally. They did not think distance would become permanent. They did not think silence would grow this loud. Now they know. And knowing hurts. They compare without admitting it. Not consciously, but emotionally. They notice that conversations feel shallow, that laughter feels forced, that understanding feels incomplete. Others may offer attention. Others may offer attraction. Others may offer company. But what you offered was connection. And connection is not easily replaced. This realization deepens their awareness of what they lost. If they finally understand your importance, why have they not reached out? Because realization does not automatically create courage. Fear steps in. Fear of rejection. Fear of disturbing your peace. Fear of realizing they are too late. Fear of facing their own mistakes. They do not know who you are now. They do not know if they still have a place in your life. So they wait. And waiting hurts. Even without communication, presence remains. Memory carries weight. You did not disappear. You shifted from presence to meaning. And meaning lasts. This message is not about waiting. It is not about hoping. And it is not about chasing delayed awareness. It is about your value. You were important before they realized it. You mattered even when they failed to see it. Their awakening does not define your worth. It confirms it. If they ever return, it will not be casual. It will be careful, thoughtful, measured, because they now understand what is at risk, and whether they act on this realization or not, one thing remains true. You left a mark that cannot be erased. That is not loss. That is impact. And impact lasts. Welcome to the Stoic Brotherhood.